I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you are facing a billing problem with your Lyft ride, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you're relogged into the account associated with the billing issue. Step 2. Access ride history. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Ride History. This will show you a list of your recent rides, including any charges. Step 3. Select the problematic ride. Find the ride that has the billing issue and tap on it. This will open the ride details, where you can view the fare breakdown. Step 4. Report the issue. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Provide details. Fill out the form with specific details about the billing issue. Be clear about what the problem is, such as an incorrect charge or a missing discount. After submitting, keep an eye on your email for a response. Sometimes, it may take a day or two for Lyft to respond, so be patient. If you don't hear back, consider following up through the app. I hope this helps you resolve your billing issue quickly.